Hey there everybody, this is Klaus Schlimm with Progressive Materials. Today we're going to be looking at patching a blistered spray foam roof with our new product SL850. We call this our ponding water filler, and it is a granular silicone that goes into any kind of ponding water area, blisters, low areas on the roof, and can fill that up, level the roof, and then prepare it for a silicone top coat. To get started, we're going to make sure we have all the proper tools on hand. Make sure you have your SL850 handy, your PM caulk and caulk gun, your top coat silicone to go over the SL850 after it's cured, a knife to cut out the blistered spot, a roller to roll in that top coat silicone, and a trowel to smooth out and level out the SL850. We're going to start the process out by removing the blistered spot on the spray foam roof. You can do this by taking the knife and pretty easily cutting through the spray foam to cut that blistered portion out. After you cut the blistered portion out, you're going to want to taper in the edges of the spray foam to give the SL850 a good surface to adhere to. Next, you're going to want to dump in the SL850. This comes in a nice plastic bag, so it's pretty easy to dump into the ponding area, and it'll start self-leveling on its own. Next, you're going to want to trowel out the SL850 so that it's smooth and level with the remaining substrate. Be sure to trowel out the SL850 over the tapered edge about an inch or two so that you get good adhesion all around the spray foam. Make sure that before you apply your silicone top coat, you let the SL850 cure for at least 6 hours. After you've troweled out all of the SL850 into the ponding area, you should have a nice, smooth, level surface for your silicone top coat. Once the SL850 is cured, you can go ahead and start coating with your silicone top coat. If you're only patching one ponding area on the roof, you can use 1 quart of silicone per 3-gallon bucket of SL850. If you have any questions on SL850 or any of the PM Silicone brand, please go to pmsilicone.com.